Today we discuss about short tricks how to find out square of a number. Students, in this age, you have to do everything in short period or the time period. You know a sum but could not do it or could not work out it in time. That is happened due to the lack of some tricks. Today I am going to discuss a trick about how to find out the square of a number without pen and paper. Before going to the point, first of all, you have to remember the square of the numbers from 1 to 25, such as 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81, 10 square is equal to 100. Like this, 11 square is equal to 121, 12 square is equal to 144, 13 square is equal to 169, 14 square is equal to 196, 15 square is equal to 225, 16 square is equal to 256, 17 square is equal to 289, 18 square is equal to 324, 19 square is equal to 361, 20 square is equal to 400, 21 square is equal to 441, 22 square is equal to 484, 23 square is equal to 529, 24 square is equal to 576, 25 square is equal to 625. Then those squares you have to remember. Then you can find the square of any number easily. Then you have to remember the level of the number or the basic level. There are several basic levels in difference of 50. The levels are 50, first level is equal to 50, second is equal to 100, third is equal to 150, fourth level is equal to 200, like this. In 50 difference, you can get one level. So you have to remember the level of the basic point. The first level is equal to 50, second level is equal to 100, third level is equal to 150, fourth level 200, fifth level 250, sixth level is equal to 300, like this. Then you find out the value of the level. How to find out the value of the level? When you find out the square of a number, you have to remember three things. One is serial number of the level, second is find the value of the level, third is difference between the level number and the given number. Then you can find out easily the square of a number. The formula to find out the square of a number is equal to OG level, value of the level. Formula is value of basic level number plus minus serial number of the level into difference oblique square of the difference. Then we find out a number that is the 48, the square of 48. If you find out the square of the 48, first you watch which number is nearer to 48. First level number 50 is nearer to 48. So the first level number is used. The difference between the number and the first level number 50 is equal to 2. Then according to the formula, value of the basic level number. Here the basic level number is 50. The value is equal to 25. So we put 25 first minus serial number of the level 1 into difference 2 oblique difference square is equal to 2 square. So 25 minus 2 oblique 04. 25 minus 2 is equal to 2304. So 48 square is equal to 2304. Similarly, you can find out the square of 52. Here 52 is greater than 50. So plus sign is used. Level is equal to 50. First level number is equal to 50, but the value is equal to 25. So 25 is used plus 1 into 2 oblique 2 square. Difference between 52 and 50 is equal to 2. So 25 plus 2 is equal to 2704. So the 52 square is equal to 2704. After practicing, you can find out easily without pen and paper those squares. Third example is 58. Then we find out the value of the each levels. The value of the first level, that is 50, is equal to 25. And how to find out? After omitting units plus digit, you have to find out the square of the remaining numbers. After omitting unit plus digit, number is 5. So 5 square is equal to 25. So 25 is the value of the first level. Similarly, you have to find out the value of the second level. 10 square is equal to 100. After omitting unit plus digit, the number remains 10. 10 square is equal to 100. Third level, after omitting unit plus digit 0, 15 remains. 15 square is equal to 225. So those are the value of the levels. Two things you have to find out. First is the serial number of the level. Second is the value of the level. Then you can find out easily the square of the any number. The formula to find out the square of a number is equal to G. Other example is 58. You have to find out the square of 58. The 58 square is equal to G. 58 is greater than 50. So the difference between the 58 and 50 is equal to 8, and that goes to level 1. The value of the level 1 is equal to 25. As 58 is greater than 50, so plus sign is used. Serial number of the level is equal to 1. Difference is equal to 8. So 25 plus 1 into 8 oblique 8 square. Hence the number is 25 plus 8. So the 25 plus 8 oblique 64 is equal to 25 plus 8 is equal to 33, 64. So the square of 58 is equal to 3364. In this way, you can find out the square of the numbers by using first level number. Then example is 98. How to find out the square of 98? If you find out the square of the 98, as 98 is closer to 100, you take the second level number, that is 100. Here value of the 100 by second level is equal to 100 plus level. Here the 98 is less than 900, so minus sign is used. Then serial number of the level is 2. Difference between the number and the level number is equal to 2 oblique 2 square is equal to 100 minus 4 oblique 04. Hence 9604. So the square of 98 is equal to 9604. When you practice those things, you can work out these things very easily. Similarly, we can find out the square of 104. 104 is closer to 100 or the second level. So here the value of the second level is equal to 100. As 104 is greater than 100, so plus sign is used. Then the serial number of the level is equal to 2 into difference between 104 and 100 is equal to 4 oblique difference square, 4 square is equal to 100 plus 8 oblique 16 is equal to 108.16. So 104 square is equal to 108.16. What's those things? How we find out the square of the numbers? Very easily. Similarly, you can find out the square of 248. 148. 248 ne? 148. How to find out the square of 148? 148 is closer to 150. That is the serial number 3. The value of 150 or the serial number 3 is equal to 225. So we use 225. As 148 is less than 150, so minus sign is used. Our level is 3, so 3 is used. Difference between the number and the 150 is equal to 2 oblique 2 square is equal to 225 minus 6 oblique 04 is equal to 11904. So you can find out those things very easily if you remember 3 points. In this way you can find out the square of 848, 792, 999 and so on. So today I remain in that point. In next video we discuss about other tricks. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.